Hi everyone, I am Puneet. I'm developer in this team. So today I'm going to demo two improvements. One is with respect to layout improvements in dependencies tab of property space, and the other one is with respect to C data improvements. First, I'll start with the layout improvements. So this is older version, I mean earlier versions. So if you see here, we have a dependencies tab in a property space. So I just have a sample model and I just clicked on my gRPC server. So this is a capsule, and if you see here dependencies, so this is how it looks like in previous version. So even though we had a bit space here, so still the columns are a bit compact, and actually you have to hover on the elements to see the exact contents of the I mean what exactly the dependencies are. So even though if I expand here and now you can see the properly, and say by any chance if I had to go to some other property tab and switch back to again, so again it will call, I mean truncate, and again you have to do the expansion, so it is a bit annoying, and it is painful for the user. So now this has been improved, so I'll just switch to the updated version. So now the same sample model I'm here using, and I'm now at the dependencies tab. So now you can see everything is proper, and everything is properly visible. Even the column headers are also now properly visible. So, and if I have to switch for any chance, like some other tab, and come back to the same dependencies tab, so still it is proper and intact, and so it computes based on the data length. So everything will looks proper and properly visible. So this is a major improvement with respect to visibility, with respect to dependencies tab. Any doubt on this? Okay, so if not, so then I'll move to the other improvement, which is related to C data. So just before starting C data, I just want to brief about C data. So C data is basically stands for character data, which enables storing of code snippets or any documentation in any model file. I mean, in a file as a data rather than XML markup. So just to show how it looks like in a C data. So here is a picture, uh, and you can see the C data. Here we have a code snippet, and so here you can see the data. I mean, this code snippet will be as a proper as it's how there it's in the code. So it will not be encoded as an XML. So it will help. It helps in viewing the files and seeing the proper content with respect to the documentation or any code snippet. So we had one issue with respect to this. Uh, so you can locate this C data related preference under modeling, and when you click on this modeling, so it will come here. Use data, I mean use C data when saving model files. So you have to enable this preference to uh, save the model files in a C data. So otherwise it will be as usual XML encoding. So we had a specific use case, like when the user enables this C data, and he used this line breaks as an same as model file, and when we try to merge two branches, like one is having a C data and the other one is non-C data, I mean basically the other XML format. So it was resulting in removing of the end of line, I mean basically the end of line character, so which result in which is getting resulted in everything getting into I mean one line, so which is basically resulting in a compilation issues. For example, here you can see, so every line break is removed and everything is coming in one line, which is resulting in a compilation. So now this has been fixed. So now you don't see any problem with respect to that. So in any case, if our tool is not able to read the end of line character from this model file, so we will read the end of line character, I mean mainly the line delimiter from the this workspace preference. So here whatever is there, so that will be read and updated, so that you will not end up in compilation issues. And also here we earlier in the preference it was just showing the default. So now based on the platform, it will be updated, like now it will be like my platform is Windows, so here it will come default Windows, maybe others like Linux or Unix, so it will based on that it will show. So yeah, that's an improvement with respect to CData.